Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Not my normal video, but I'm away, so I just thought this might be of interest to you. Right, so this is the hotel we're stopping at, Barut or Barut B Suites. There's the entrance there. Quite cool once you go in there. It's about 30 odd degrees here now. It's about 33, 34 degrees here at the moment. That's where we've just walked down from. Come down here and down this way to the beach. So here, all the usual bank of hiring out scooters and bikes and whatnot. No prices on them, just a CC. So each of these hotels around here, this one, that one there, one at the back, down the beach they've got their own little section. And you can get snacks around the pool and drinks around the pool, but you can also come down here between 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the afternoon and have snacks down here. That one there belongs, as you can see, and you can see it from there, it says Haynes, that's a Haynes Resort, that's their section. And then the Barut B Suites is this one here. So you go in there between 1 and 4, everything's free. There are certain things you've got to pay for, cocktails, but it'll all be down there on a price list, but everything else is all free of charge. Kids' drinks, all your salads, all your food, your snacks. All these sun lounges and umbrellas, you don't pay for those. That's in with your hotel. So you just come down there, there's going to be no one come around to start taking euros or Turkish lira from you. And there's always plenty spare, there's loads spare. Look. So that side there is another hotels. I think that's a Haynes one. You can see it's all cordoned off with this rope. And all that across there, that's all the one from Barut B Suites. So once you leave your hotel, 5-6 minute walk, as I said, walking down, coming on there, through down this footpath, and literally yards from the beach. How refreshing is that? A few months' time back home in England, we frost, snow, all sorts. That's where we've just walked up from. That one on that bridge is looking down at those turtles, loads of turtles down there. And I think possibly these boats are more than likely for taking day trippers out, probably a bit of fishing. Yeah, bit of a launch pad there, look, slipway, really. And there's a nice project boat for somebody, look. There we go. Couple of coats of paint, you're in business. That's that sea wall I was on about before. Goes right the way round there. Might brave it one day, we'll see. We're just making our way back to the hotel now. One thing you've got to be careful of is this sort of thing here, look. Not much street lighting at night time. That can cause some damage if you fall down there. King's Palace Hotel. Shopping centres down that way. If you get down the shopping centre, the price on them will be euros or Turkish lira. You can just have a check first. Try and convert your lira into euros or vice versa. I picked some up yesterday, wanted 50 euros, bought him down to 30. Back at the hotel now, I'm just going to do a quick bit in the reception because I don't really want to be filming in there. Lovely and cool when you walk in. And this part here is really cool. Oh yeah, feel that breeze.